Best
a lot of
birthday
work.
I ever had.
The best one
Yeah, so far.
so far?
Yeah.
It's the only one he remembers.
Yeah. you know what the most important birthday is?
The next one.
That's hopefully you make it to the next one.
I'll make it.
He'll make it. He's not that lucky to perish beforehand.
Yeah,
He has
yeah.
many, many more birthdays to suffer through.
Well, you already told me I had 2 years left.
No, I said you have 2 good years left,
Yeah.
and they're done and over. Now it's just miserable from here on out. Suffering. Steve doesn't know what he's talking about. He's like really
Did you just
old now.
pause?
He just
Is it
had.
and hold back a cuss word.
No, why would I do that? But yeah, he just had a birthday. He's really getting on in years. Almost time to put him out to pasture. So anything he says, just humor him, saying, "Oh, that's sweet." All right.
All right, so what are we gonna let before? Okay, so you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we
Camera
go.
Ready? Are
And
we rolling, lady?
On 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Okay, so today we are here. We are doing a little video on the paintwork that I did for Mark Austin. He sent his sheet metal in, and we had to do a lot of stuff to get it looking all beautiful for him. He has these early side covers.
So what makes these different, lady?
These are different. They're a completely different shape. They don't have the little vents. They have a different silk screen. They have this little support back there, reinforcement. So they're just completely
So
different.
when did they make these up to?
Did they make these up to
This
70?
is a quiz.
70? 71?
1969, basically.
69?
Yes, so they used these on the V700. They used them on the first ambassadors, the A prefix ambassadors, and until they ran out of them, I guess. The factory just used up what they had. And then by 69, and they used a small tank. So the A prefix and ambassadors, which will look the same as this, had a small tank. This is a larger tank. So they started this in 69, except for the police bikes. The police bikes had this large tank in the prototypes in 68. So anyways, and this has a civilian gas cap, flip top gas cap. Stevie rebuilt that. Here, pull that off, show them the inside of that. You got your little boy hands there. Okay, look at, it's nice and pretty in there.
Yes.
Here, lift that up a little bit, show the people.
All right, people.
Can we see in there? It's super clean. It's all nice and pretty in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, powder coated. Gas cap looks nice. All right, so you did all this.
I did all the paint.
You didn't even have me help you on this at all?
I guess you helped a little. I think you did like 1 coat of single stage.
Wow,
It
is that all I
turn
did?
Out too well. Maybe you sanded the bottom of the tank a little bit, but
Oh, is this the one I had to prep?
You didn't have to prep that. You
Because you were
finished
taking too
prepping.
long? Yeah,
No,
you-
because I had important shit to do, lady. I had other stuff in the queue.
God.
So yeah, I know. I made you get out there and sweat a little bit. I know it was rough for you.
Okay.
But I guess you did all right. The underneath looks pretty nice. So
It looks very nice.
I'll give you a little bit of credit for
I
that.
can't even remember which tank that was. Everything
It
blends
was this
together.
one. That's why I'm here. I remember all this.
Okay, so tell us about Huck, and he didn't want any logos or anything on the toolboxes.
Nope. So these are just straight paint, base and clear. He said that he has the knobs. He says that he has the tank grommets. He has his
And the
petcock,
fuel
his
taps.
fuel taps. Yeah.
Okay,
he
so
wanted
what
that.
about these? Why are these toolboxes different, lady?
They are different because they get the little knobs to close them.
They don't have the locks.
They do not have the locks.
So they did that up into about the same era. So right about 1970, I would say they switched over to locks because the early Ambassador, even the police bikes, had knobs on them. So those are kind of rare too. They're getting rare. You don't see a lot of them anymore. All right, so this is ready to go. We're doing this little video for a customer.
A lot of work went into this, a lot of love,
A lot of time goes into this stuff.
a lot of time. That tank, we had to completely get it blasted. We had to cut off the chrome patches, send them into the chrome shop. That took forever. I think we had to have one of the patches redone because it
Was
wasn't...
that this one or the other one?
No, I think it was this one. We were waiting on one chrome patch because it came back with little scratches, and we need our shit to be perfect for you guys. So...
All right, looks beautiful.
Yep.
And then Ryan did the pinstriping for us. That was nice.
He always does an awesome job. He did the pinstriping on the side covers too. So.
And then you did the silk screen on the the early. That's the early logo for the
I did the silk screen
ambassador
for those and for the.
And I guess he's got the knobs for the side covers too. All
I
right.
think so yeah, we'll double.
All right, ladies. So you're gonna box this up and.
We're boxing it up. We're getting it out of here.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll add them up. And I think that's it. You can guys see some more of the paintwork. Lindy Lou. All right.
So who's gonna send me some work next?
I don't know.
Some openings.
Okay.
So send it in.
Okay.
All right. Come on, Dice. Bye.
All right. See ya.